Oh, measuring. Anong mini-measure niya? Wala naman siyang...
Okay, umorder kami ng smartwatch sa, hindi ko alam kung saan ito in-order ng aking madam. Buy one, take one. Tig-isa kaming dalawa. So, hindi ako marunong mag-unbox ng mga ganare. So, ganare na lang. Ang price niya is 1,699. And tig 850 kami. Buy one, take one. One. Watch T500. Naku, buti pa yung kahon. Hard to get. So, let me see. Oh, this one is the pink one. Pink ang binili ni Madam. That's the pink. And wow! Kasi ipapacheck ko kay Joven kung tama yung order or it's good. Merong charger. So yan, nilagyan ko ng strap na black dun sa dulo kasi medyo maluwag sa akin. Alright, you have to connect this first to your phone via Bluetooth connection, and you have to download this application from the Google Play Store. And once it's connected to your phone, you can now use this. And from here are the features that you can use once it's connected to your phone. So you can make calls here, you can dial a number, you can read messages from here. So if you are away from your phone or if you are somewhere outside, you can just connect this watch to your phone and then you're good to go. Now let's check the performance of this watch in terms of measuring blood pressure, pulse rate, and blood oxygen level. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell.
Pink sana, kaso yan nga, problematic. Oh, measuring. Anong mini-measure niya? Wala naman siyang BP. So even if it's not in my arm, it still gives me a measurement of the blood pressure and the pulse rate. This device cannot give you an accurate result in terms of measuring your blood pressure, your pulse rate, and other things that it has to measure. Since we bought this at a low price, I can complain. So for me, it isn't reliable in terms of measuring blood pressure, pulse rate, and blood oxygen level. But it's pretty good in making remote calls, in reading messages. If you have a watch like this and you have the same experience, please let me know in the comments. If you have time, please do check out my other videos on this channel. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.